I don't think they could even see it in the camera.
Are they hawks?
Eagle?
Maybe.
I think they're smaller than eagle. There might be hawks. They were there earlier. They're like roaming around like that.
Falcon?
Wow, look at this place. Galing.
Oh my god.
Wow. Look at that. Arriving at your destination. Hello?
Did some great gameplay.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at that.
You're not even writing. Oh wait, there's a credit in there. Oh wait, right? Oh, never mind.
No, it says 1 credit.
Alright, out there, ready? So, what do we do today?
Eat,
And,
walk,
and we farted. Thank you for saying that.
I didn't.
Liar.
You guys did.
Liar.
I held in.
Okay, that's the end of this vlog here. Hey guys, what's going on guys? So, if you don't know, it's raining out. So, here's some context. So, we're shopping, right? We're shopping. And we're like, ooh, loo, loo. And earlier, as you could see, that the car was like, all like dripply, raindroppy, and it rained. And we're like, okay, it can rain like once, you know, it's fine. We'll go shopping. And then we're in the food court. And then everyone is like dispersed in like different stores, like mom and dad are in like at like Sephora or something, or like getting some shoes or get some Louis Vuitton stuff. Tita Rhoda's and like the cousins are like somewhere else, I think like in Vans or something like that. And so they're like all sporadic, and we were holding the table and it starts raining. We're like, oh, what's going on here? And it starts getting worse and worse and worse. The wind's picking up, and like the trees are dancing like it's like Coachella or something. It's just like getting crowded and crowded in the food court. We're just like, yo, what's going on? Like, parents are not here. There's like, there could be like outside and like under like a little canopy or whatever, and we don't know what to do. So we start calling people up, and we eventually meet up at the food court, everyone drenched. And that's why it was just me and Bea. It was just like random rain, and we were like, you know what to do. So, yeah. Context, Bryce, out.
No! First set 1.
So, I'm editing this video, and I noticed that I didn't film any type of outro. Kind of ended on Renzo's arm checking his phone. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked the idea of merging 2 episodes together. They're just both 5 minutes and 5 minutes, so I thought maybe just merge them together. It would make sense, and I feel like it would make sense for you guys too. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Right, Tay? Alright.